Oh my gosh, bro. I'm literally so like geeked out right now at the way this thing looks. Let's go. That freaking wine. What's going on, guys? Woo! Welcome back to another banger, bruh. Yes, sir. Today we started it a little bit differently, but I hope you guys enjoyed it anyways. We got a little sunset drive for you guys today. Let's go. Oh yeah. Your boy just got off of the gym right now, and I thought, what? There's no better time to do a POV drive than in the city, in the beautiful city of San Jose, bruh. During the sunset, we got nice weather right now, and your boy needs to go get something to eat, bruh. So why don't I go ahead and bring you guys along with me? We're going to Panda Express today. Yep. So yeah, we got all the windows down. Car is nice and warmed up. Without further ado, make sure all the angles are good and everything. Oh my gosh, my voice already cracked in the beginning of the video. That could not be good. But yeah, let's go, guys, before it gets a little bit darker. Let's try to beat the night to Panda. Let's go. Yeah. Today we actually got a good little drive ahead of us. It's not super long, but I want to say it's maybe 10 minutes away from us. And we are hopping on the freeway for a bit, so hope you guys sit back, enjoy. And yeah, I hope you guys could get to experience a little bit of what it's like to drive a CTS V. If you guys are thinking about owning one, this is kind of like a test drive right here, like virtually. Woo. Alright guys, let's go. Hopefully it doesn't get too windy. I'm gonna try to keep the windows down for a little bit though. We're gonna go under and I guess underpass right now. So let me downshift and then we'll get a good little run right there. Make sure there's no boys in blue around us. Let's go. freaking wine. Oh, jeez. Sometimes when I do these POV drives by myself, bro, you guys get to see a little bit more about how I authentically react to my car, bro. I am still as in love with this car as the first day I got it, bro. Sometimes when I'm with my girl, I try not to fan out too much, but even then, in those videos with her, you guys can see I can't contain myself, bro. Jeez. Wow, bro, it just looks freaking beautiful right now. You know what? I'm gonna go make a quick stop to see if we can see what the view looks like right now with the sunset and everything. I'm gonna take you guys to a romantic little, I guess, view. For those of you ladies who date guys in San Jose, you guys know, bro, San Jose guys love getting food and going to views. I don't know why, but they think that's like the perfect date right there. Let's see if we could beat, I guess, the sun before the sun goes down. Little quick change of plans, but hopefully it's worth it. I do need new brakes, bro, so if you guys hear squealing, I don't want to see you guys in the comments talking smack. But let's go see what it looks like. Oh, those freaking brakes, I'm telling you, bruh. If it looks nice enough, I might even end the video right here, bro. And then I'll just put in a couple clips of some pools on my way to Panda. Maybe show you guys what I get to eat. Something with good macros. But yeah, let's go see what this thing looks like. Ooh, buddy. Let's put the brake on real quick. Let's see what we're looking like my goodness, bro. Tell me that does not. Damn. How blessed are we to live in such a beautiful world, bro. Look at this freaking planet. And this is San Jose, bro. With all the ghetto stuff we got going on over here, it still looks this freaking nice. Oh my gosh, bro. I'm literally so like geeked out right now at the way this thing looks. Woo! Oof. With the windows down and everything. Just for those of you guys who want to see the inside. But yeah, anyways, let me go ahead and take that thumbnail picture real quick, and then I'll put in some clips, I guess, of some pulls on my way to Panda. If you guys enjoyed it, please, oh my gosh, I can't talk. If you guys enjoyed it, bro, please smash that like button and subscribe to your boy, because you guys know I try to bring you guys the best videos ever, every single week. I don't think I've missed this year, to be honest. I'm gonna be bringing you guys a bunch of more videos, bruh. I am having a dental surgery coming soon, bruh. So for those of you guys who want POV videos without the yapping, your guys' wish is finally gonna come true, bruh. Hope you guys enjoyed it, bruh. Thank you guys for taking time out of your day to watch my videos. Huge shout out to you guys, bro. We hit 2,400 subscribers, bruh. I love you guys so freaking much. Thank you guys, bruh. Woo. But yeah, let me take these thumbnail pictures, and then we'll be out of here. I was not expecting it to look as nice as it did right now, bro. I'm pretty happy that we came up here. That thing sounds so crazy, bruh. Oh, hell yeah. Can you guys see all of that? I'm gonna put you guys on game, bruh. If you don't know, we got double chicken teriyaki. Hold the sauce, bruh. You do not need the sauce. If not, you're gonna be big back. Veggies right here, super veggies. I forget what they're called. And then we got half white rice, bruh. So if you guys want to be cool for the summer, that's what you guys should get. Don't say I never put you guys on, bruh. Californians, make sure you guys go out and vote. I think this is the last weekend, bruh. I'm voting for the cowboy. I'm saying it right now, bruh. I'm voting for the cowboy. He just got so much aura, bruh.